Good morning, Patriot Pioneers. I'm Gavin Rummel, and welcome to the Morning Minutes. The French Club and National French Honor Society will have a combined meeting this afternoon after school. They will meet in room 2005. Does cutting-edge technology excite you? If so, consider joining the Tech Club. There will be a club meeting Wednesday, September 29th, after school in room 1303. Participants will engage in hands-on activities like soldering circuit boards and 3D printing. If you'd like to know more about clubs that are available at Patriot, visit the Activities Fair from 6 to 8 p.m. in Commons 1 and 2 on Thursday, September 30th. Are you interested to see what our new students are doing this year? Visit our website, phscharge.com, and follow them on Instagram, phscharge. I'm Gavin Rummel, and this has been the Morning Minutes. Have an excellent day, Pioneers.